And hospitalization rates have remained basically steady over the past few weeks.
Yeah, and tonight there's more than 4,000 patients with COVID statewide right now, a similar number to where we were at this point last year when there was 3,799 patients with COVID. But of course, a lot of things have changed over the past year. At this point last year, of course, we didn't have a vaccine, and now we have 3 for adults, 1 for children.
But one thing that has not really changed over this past year, hospital visitation policies. Most hospitals nationwide only allow 1 person to visit at a time, if that. And now one Sacramento area father is making a plea to Sutter Health to consider revising its policies. KCRA 3's Stephanie Lynn shows us why.
Can't lose him. It's tough.
Dave Elkins struggles to find the words to describe what it's like to see his son like this.
They're not giving him a whole lot of hope. I mean, they said you pray for a miracle.
23-year-old Trenton David Elkin is now in a coma, hospitalized with severe injuries, including a broken skull. On Friday, he was thrown from this car that rolled over 3 times on Auburn Folsom Road.
He's a fighter. He's a strong kid, so, and there has to be a miracle out there.
Trenton's parents praying hard for their only son, an honors graduate from Del Oro High School with a passion for real estate. Tonight, the family is pleading to the hospital to take another look at their visitor policy.
They won't let more than 1 person per day, so me and my wife can't go in there together, which is very hard. We can't comfort each other.
According to a Sutter Health Roseville spokesperson, adult patients are currently able to have just 1 visitor at a time. These guidelines have been in place since summer.
The last thing I want to do is hurt or harm anybody.
But Elkin says both he and his wife are vaccinated.
Hear both voices, hold both of our hands and try to get that spark he needs to get back to, wake him up.
Sutter Health reiterating to KCRA 3, but the priority remains on keeping patients, staff, and the community as safe as possible. The medical provider adding it will continue to monitor COVID-19 cases and augment policies accordingly. The pandemic continuing to distance patients from loved ones, a hard pill for this father to take.
It's terrible. I mean, it's hard to put into words.
Reporting from Roseville, Stephanie Lynn, KCRA 3 News.
Elkin says that his son went to Colorado State University before joining him in the family business, and they say they are hoping and asking for everyone's prayers tonight.